How to log out of Google Photos account. Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video, and today in this episode I'm going to let you know the ways to log out Google Photos account. So it's a very simple procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First thing, open up a browser. You could also do this procedure with the help of an application. So you just have to follow the same steps on your mobile device. Go to the search box and type in photos.google.com. First of all, you need to go and log in into your Google Photos account. This way, you'll be taken to the home page where you could go ahead and access all of your backed up photos. So if you want to go ahead and sign out, press the profile or the initial from the top right hand side corner of your screen, and then you need to go to manage your Google account, or you could go ahead and simply select sign out of all device. When you press this, it's going to take you to the next field, and automatically you'll be logged out of your Google Photos. So this way you could go ahead and log out Google Photos account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.